have lived long enough in Cebu City know well that those letters don't stand for shoot to kill. Rather, it is an acronym for Soto Kill, which, by the way, is still a blend made up by locals to shorten three words: sugba, grilled; tola, soup-based dishes; and kilaw, raw fish in vinegar. Tabay is a restaurant in Orchid Street, capital site, Cebu City. In 2002, the Alcovers, particularly the father Jerry, decided to venture into the food business, opening it at the ground floor of their home to the public. STK Tabay, sa Paulitos Seafood House, was born. Great tasting food is a given. Another thing worth noting is the beautiful display of antiquity, sprawled, hung, and arranged all over the restaurant. The Alcovers were antique collectors, from religious icons, vintage cameras, elegant chinas to contemplative artworks, dining in such a venue that doubles like a history gallery. With how things seems to be going for this residence turned restaurant business, expect the place to become one of Cebu's premier fresh seafood restaurants in town.